Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Medling World. First thing I want to tell you is thanks for watching our vlogs. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, subscribe to our channel. We're up and coming vloggers. We're trying to do the best we can, getting better every vlog, I think. So I just wanted to say, look where we are today, everybody. Disney's Hollywood Studios. Look at that, everybody. Not even officially open yet in the park. Packed. Awesome feeling when you come in here, though. The energy is really great. Everybody's happy, smiling. Here is a great shot down well, I guess they call it like the Boulevard, Hollywood, you know. Straight down ahead, that's the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. We're gonna see what we're gonna do first. I just saw something I can't believe. You got to see this, guys. Look at the wait time on this ride already this morning. Not even 9 o'clock in the morning. 120 minutes already. Not even 9 a.m. There's old Woody there. So it's really fun. It's really cool. There goes the Slinky Dog. Look at that thing go, guys. That is a lot of fun. There it goes. Look at that. And then you got the Toy Story Mania over on the left side. Oh, it's a 5-minute wait. I think I found out what we might be going on first. Did the Toy Story Mania. When we walked on just a few minutes ago, the wait time was 5 minutes, so it was just a walk on. Now it's 30 minutes. Just kind of showing you guys what it looks like here. It's right now, it's 9:30 a.m. 9:30. And as you can see, I'm walking up. That's the queue, the line for the Slinky Dog. So the Slinky Dog ride is up towards the right side. So you would go up that way. What's up, buddy? But I tell you what, it's not too bad out this morning for a August, Florida day. A little cloudy, nice breeze. I'm not sweating yet, so that's a good sign. And over here we have the old, the saucers. The swirling saucers. Pretty cool. Alien swirling saucers. Check this out, guys. There's a little eating area here. I think it's called like Woody's Lunchbox or something. Let me see, get the proper name. Yeah, well, I was right for once, huh? I actually got the name of it right. So they have the grilled sandwiches, grown-up drinks for you adults that would like the adult beverages, the ice cream floats, desserts, kid meals. We got it all. You do your mobile order, you can walk right up and get it. And here we go. Oh, we're going to be able to walk right on. This is a 5-minute wait. Let's check it out. So we're over here. So far been pretty successful. We did this, what did we do? Toy Story Mania, the swirl, alien swirl ride. Went up to the baby center, had some Starbucks, which was really good. And now we're over here at Runaway Railway. Mickey and Minnie's, it's a cool ride. It used to be, you know, for some of you old timers that used to come to the parks. It was the great movie ride before.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you later. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Oh my God. I don't know, Missy. I guess I could.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, you guys. You're goofy. I guess you're going into the cartoons. Come on in.
Medling World, like, subscribe. We bring you all the rides.
We made it. Nothing can stop us now. We have to stop them before they go over the top.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me.
So we're gonna head over to Star Wars Land. Here's your Muppets 3D on the left side there. And then here's where you can enter in to Star Wars Land. A galaxy far, far away, yet it's actually just right there. And to the left, that's your Rise of the Resistance. You need to do a queue, a virtual queue for that in the morning. It starts 7 a.m. So they're gonna go build a droid, I guess, over here in this area. You have this, you know, this area where you can go in and you purchase the parts. They kind of help you. You can build a customized droid.
Alright, are we both building media units? Alright, I'm going to tell you everything you need, okay? You're going to need a motivator like this. They're all the same. So I'm just going to hand you that one, and I'm going to hand you that one. Alright, you guys are going to need a shell like this. They are bundled together as a pair. You only need one of them. They come in a lot of different colors. You're going to need one of these small heads like this. They come in a dome size, this flat size. They also come in one that has this little like thing on top. Yes, they're supposed to be. All right. And then we're gonna need a small disc that goes on the bottom of this head here. So you'll need a disc right like this here. They fit together like a little piece, okay?
Okay, doesn't matter which one. Just gotta try, make sure you try and line up those arrows. I'm gonna use this. Okay? Then I'll put some pressure on it, okay? And I'll squeeze the button. Okay, so there's two magnets in these, okay? Gonna put them on top. So put them on top, and then on top. You found, okay, so you found one, okay? You found both. Good, so two, you found one of them. Normally, when you found one, you just bring it over and found the second one there. That's it. And you just gently move it around like that. When the droid is on, when the droids are on, it's easier. You use the controller and you can spin it and it will find the second magnet for you. Activate it. Okay. The big red button. Hit it. Okay, again for you. I always forward. What do you think? Are they cool or what?
We just did the droid build over there, so it was really cool. Kids loved it. My oldest granddaughter Maddie and Jake built one. They each have one. We're gonna check them out, see how they all work. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, a little bit of that and show you how it's done. Star Wars World. They don't miss a beat here. Hollywood Studios, Disney World. We're going in the Cantina. We're gonna go check this place out. It's a hard place to get into, but we're able to get reservations to come in here to have all the cool drinks. It's like a party place, but family setting. So good for everybody. Let's go in and let's see it. Let's check it out. Here we are. We're in the Cantina here, guys. They got regular, you know, adult beverage, and then they have the kids' beverages here. Just to show you a few of them. Different price ranges. There's an $85 one. Wow. Let me take a quick look around for you guys. It is loud in here. It's like a, you know, loud atmosphere. So if you're sensitive or, you know, noise, anything like that.
Definitely stronger than mine.
So there's a couple of the drinks here, Nathan. They're really cool in here around here. Java juice. Wow!
Hyperdrive and another Java juice.
Hyperdrive down there.
These are carbon freeze, Java juice.
And I got the Black Spire Brew, which is some coffee mixed. It's actually got juice mixed in with coffee. It says so. I'm looking forward to trying it, and I'll let you know. Hang on, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see what it tastes like. Look at that nice garnish. Lemon, a couple blueberries. Ah, it's really good. It's like fruity with coffee. Like I've never really tasted anything like it. Highly recommend it. So we got the Happerbore sampler, which has it's got let's see here, cured and roasted meats, cheese, and pork cracklings. Looks pretty good. And then the other one is the Batu Bites, crispy Galaxy snack bits with space dip. So enjoy that. Let's try it. And the DJ, his name's Rex. He's pumping it out in here. Broke the hyperdrive, guys. Rex, he's really trying to jam them tunes out. Just gave the hammer to the hyperdrive, and I think it might have worked, guys. Here's Rex. And Rex saves the day. The tunes are going. The bartenders are dancing. Everybody's happy. Hey guys, I just want to tell you, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please like and subscribe our videos. We're getting ready to head out of Hollywood Studios. We have the park hopper. We're gonna hop over to Epcot, and I think we're gonna do a vlog while I'm over there. There's much more to this park to see. I hope you enjoyed the information I gave you today and some of the fun rides we went on. I will be back to this park soon, and I'll be doing another vlog on some of the other things that we weren't able to cover today. So thank you so much. Please like, follow. I appreciate everybody's support for Medling World. And last but not least, see ya!